Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chris. This week we're going to France and Italy, combining some ingredients, and we're going to make a wonderful tuna with some Agradolce sauce, which in Italian is a sweet and sour sauce. And we're also going to make a celeriac and apple remoulade to serve it with. Few simple ingredients, but wait till you see how it comes out. It really is a lovely taste. I made this yesterday and I want to make it again. It was such a nice thing. Okay, so let's get on with cooking this and I'll show you how to do it and we'll see how it turns out later. See you later. For this recipe you will need olive oil, sugar, white wine vinegar, passata, plain flour, salt and pepper, white onion, cherry tomatoes for garnish, apple, celeriac, dried mint and fresh mint, and tuna steak. First thing I'm going to do is to slice up a white onion. Up to you how much you put in. On this one I've put in about 100 grams. You can use red onion if you like, it depends on your taste. And then what I'm going to do is to put in a good amount of olive oil, around about 100 ml or so, and then fry off the onions, but I'm not going to overcook them. I just want to brown them. I don't want to burn them. Now give it a good stir around as you add in your ingredients. The first ingredient I'm going to add in is some salt, and this is smoked sea salt. It gives it an extra bit of taste to it. It's quite nice. Then I add in a good amount of granulated sugar, and this obviously is the sweet element to the dish. And then once that's done, I'll then stir that around and then I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. Right, here goes in some dried mint. That's about just a couple of pinches. And now some white wine vinegar. So we've now got our sweet and our sour elements into that. And then we add in some passata for a bit of colour. Once again, good quality ingredients. Give it a good stir up and then just reduce it down and turn the heat down a little bit. It's important to taste it because you want it to be sweet and sour. This is your point to adjust it if you need to. Right, just turn it down so it doesn't brown too much. Now, the tuna, 300 grams of it, dust it in some plain flour, and by using the plain flour, when you add it to the sauce, that will help thicken the sauce. So just gently cook it. You can see it's browning nicely, and then I'll add a bit more salt onto that. Turn it over, get the other side cooked. Don't want to cook it too much, otherwise it won't taste very nice. Right, here I'm getting the remoulade ready. So this is celeriac and then apple. And then once that's in the bowl, add in some lemon to stop it oxidizing. Give it a good stir together and then put in some vinaigrette. This is a standard vinaigrette, nothing special. And then mix that all together. And that's the element of the salad done. You don't want to complicate it. Now here we are with the plating up, and you can see I put some cherry tomatoes on it and then also some fresh mint as well, and just put the salad on the side.